In this video, I will be giving you a quick walkthrough of my data mining and business intelligence project. The topic which I have chosen is cricket match analysis, and the league which I have chosen is the Indian Premier League, the most loved league by Indians. For the data set, you can get the IPL complete data set from the year 2008 to 2024 from Kaggle. Here you get two CSV files named deliveries.csv and matches.csv. Once you have downloaded the CSV files, the next step is to pre-process the data. So pre-processing involves cleaning the data in order to ensure that further in your project you don't get any errors regarding to data. So it includes removing the missing values, null values, and replacing a few values with the average, minimum, or maximum values. For the deliveries.csv file, we are removing any matches or batter or bowler which is having a null value. Next, we are ensuring that the team names should not contain any extra white spaces. The same we are doing for matches.csv file. Once the data is pre-processed, the next step is to create a star schema. Let me explain in short what is the star schema. So star schema is a concept used in data warehouse modeling. A data warehouse connects a large amount of data which is historical, and it can help in various business insights. Now, you cannot use concepts of ER model, that is entity relationship diagram, in case of a data warehouse. So a star schema consists of a single fact table, and every dimension table is linked to the fact table. So for every fact, there would be only one dimension table in a star schema. This is the IPL Analytics dashboard. The first tab is overview about the total number of matches from the year 2008 to 2024, the total seasons, the total teams participating right from 2008 to 2024, and it also includes the teams which were discontinued, and the total deliveries. The next tab is the teams. So it gives you the top 10 performing teams by the win percentage. The win percentage is calculated by the total number of matches won by the team divided by the total number of matches played into 100, and these are the top 10 performing teams. If you want to search for a particular team, you can get their overall statistic throughout the timeline. The next tab is venue analysis. The IPL match is conducted worldwide in many stadiums. So this gives you the number of matches conducted in each location. The most important part is players. So here you get the top 10 batsmen and the runs scored by them. The next tab is trends. So it contains the season's trends right from the year 2008 to 2024. The light blue line shows the number of fours in every season, and the darker blue line shows the number of sixes. The next tab is the AI clustering, in which I have used k-means. So k-means is a clustering model in which the value of k, which is an integer, is specified by the user. The value of k indicates the number of clusters into which the data is to be divided. Here I have used three clusters for the batsman as aggressive, consistent, and balanced batsmen, and these are classified on the basis of two parameters which are strike rate and average. So the strike rate is given by the runs scored upon the balls faced into 100, and average is given by the runs scored upon the matches played into 100. The aggressive batsmen are those which have a higher strike rate and a moderate average. The consistent are those having a moderate strike rate and a higher average, and the balanced players are the ones who play safe and have a balanced strike rate and balanced average. The next tab is win probability. We can predict the result of a particular match. So let's select a particular batting team, say Delhi Capitals, a bowling team, say Rajasthan Royals, and a particular venue, say Ahmedabad. We have to Next we have to put the target runs. Let's say it's 190 and current score say it's 80. Wickets lost are 2 and let's say the overs completed are 14 and the runs scored in last 5 overs are for example 10. This win probability is based on the point of view of the batting team with Delhi Capitals. If we click on calculate win probability, we get that the win probability of Delhi Capitals is 5%, whereas that of Rajasthan Royals is 95%. So this is calculated on the basis of required run rate and the current run rate. We take the base probability as zero point 0.5 so that we are neither biased against the batting or the bowling team. So the current run rate is given by the runs scored upon the overs completed, and the required run rate is given by the runs to be scored, which is the remaining runs divided by the overs remaining. So the win probability will be against the batting team if their current run rate is less than the required run rate. Since the current run rate over here is 5.71, which is very less than the required run rate of 18.33, the win probability of the batting team, that is Delhi Capitals, is less. Now let's take a scenario wherein the batting team will have a higher current run rate. Let's say the team is Lucknow Super Giants. The bowling team is Gujarat Lions. The location is Jaipur. Let's say the target runs are 190 and the current score, let's say it's 140. Wicket slots say those are 3. Overs completed say let's 11. And the runs last 5 overs, let's say those are 20. And if we calculate the win probability, we can see that the batting team, that is Lucknow Super Giants, has a higher win probability than the bowling team, since the current run rate is 12.73, which is higher than the required run rate. The next tab is details, which gives the runs by over, that is the runs scored in every over from the year 2008 to 2024. The main use case of this IPL analytics dashboard is that before the IPL starts, an auction takes place, so it can help the auctioneers to have an overall overview of the players, of the team, and the trends, and also it can help the cricket enthusiasts learn more about cricket. Thank you for watching.